You're thoughtful about the fresh food you bring home to your family. At Bosch, we care about keeping your food fresh for as long as possible. That's why we invented the revolutionary new Bosch counter-depth refrigerator that's fresh by design, in every way. With a stunning interior that spares no detail, putting fresh foods in view and within reach, minimizing food waste. Now, you can ingeniously make use of unused space, organizing your fridge in ways never done before. And with a refrigerator that respects fresh foods as much as you, we reimagined how to preserve them. 4 innovative technologies work in harmony so foods stay fresh up to 3 times longer. VitaFresh Pro automatically balances temperature and humidity. Fresh Protect absorbs natural ethylene to slow ripening. An AirFresh filter keeps the refrigerator air fresh, while multi-airflow maintains consistent temperatures. A discreet interior water dispenser provides a clean, streamlined design. Keep your kitchen impeccable. Yes, even with kids. And with Home Connect, stay connected even when you're not near. The new counter-depth refrigerator from Bosch. Fresh by design, it's refrigeration reinvented. Bosch, invented for life.